Listen up. You don't need a gym, you don't need a trainer, and you don't need money. You just need discipline and the right foods. Let's get you started. Stop telling yourself you're on a diet. That mindset's holding you back. This isn't a diet. This is your new lifestyle. It's a total reset. Think of it this way. You're building discipline just like you build anything else in your life. Brick by brick, one rep at a time. It is not about some quick fix that we gonna give up on in a week. It's about building something that lasts. Every good choice, every small step is another brick laid in the foundation of the new you. You have to stop looking for shortcuts and start embracing the process. The work you put in today is what builds a better tomorrow. It's about changing your habits, one by one, until your entire life moves in the right direction. This isn't temporary. This is for good. Now let's talk food. This is how normal, working people lose fat and get strong. It's not complicated. Forget those fancy diets you see online. Here's what works. First, lean protein. This is your foundation. Think grilled chicken breasts. Simple, effective, and it builds muscle while helping you burn fat. You need this in every meal. Next, carbs. Don't be afraid of them. You're a working person. You need energy. We're talking moderate carbs. A sensible portion of brown rice is perfect. It gives you the fuel to get through your workday and your workout without crashing. It's about smart energy, not empty calories. Then, you need vegetables, as much as you can eat. Broccoli, spinach, peppers, you name it. They're packed with vitamins and fiber that keep you full and keep your body running right. They fill your plate without filling you out. Don't skip them. Now for healthy fats. These are important for keeping you full and satisfied. A little bit goes a long way. This is where a lot of people mess up. They either eat too much fat or none at all. Find the balance. A handful of nuts, some avocado, or even the fats you get from your protein sources. And for snacks, keep it simple. Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, fills you up, and crushes those cravings. Forget the sugary junk. Or hard-boiled eggs. Easy to make, easy to carry, and pure protein power. That's it. See how simple that is? Lean protein every single meal. Moderate carbs for energy. Healthy fats to stay full. And lots of vegetables. Repeat that 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You don't need fancy diets. You don't need expensive shakes. You just need consistency. Remember this. Consistency is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but consistency is what gets you results. It's about doing it even on the days you don't feel like it. That's the real secret. Just stick to the basics, day in and day out. All right, let's get you moving. No gym? No problem. These moves burn fat fast, and you can do them anywhere. At home, at the job site, on your break. Anywhere. No gym needed means no excuses. First up, the king of bodyweight exercises, push-ups. We're going to do 3 variations to hit your whole chest and arms. Start with wide grip push-ups, hands further than your shoulders. This hits the outer chest. Keep your body straight like a plank of wood. Down slow, push up hard. Feel that stretch. Now, bring your hands into a normal shoulder width position. This is your standard push-up. Focus on a full range of motion. Chest all the way down to the floor. This builds overall chest size and strength. Finally, close grip or diamond push-ups. Hands together right under your chest. This is a killer for your triceps and inner chest. These will be tough, but they build that dense, powerful look. Next, pull-ups. If you have a bar, a sturdy pipe, even a tree branch, you can do these. There's no better exercise for building a wide, strong back. Grab the bar with your palms facing away. Pull your chest all the way up to the bar. Squeeze your back muscles at the top. Lower yourself down slow and controlled. No swinging. If you can't do a full one yet, start with just hanging. Or do negative reps where you jump up and lower yourself slowly. You will get there. Now for dips. Find 2 sturdy, parallel surfaces. 2 chairs, the corners of a countertop, whatever you've got. Keep your body upright and lower yourself down until your shoulders are about level with your elbows. Push back up, flexing your triceps. This is another amazing move for your chest and triceps. Don't forget your legs. Strong legs are your body's engine. We're doing bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, back straight. Drop your hips down and back like you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you can, then drive back up through your heels. This works your entire lower body. No weight needed to feel the burn if you do enough of them with good form. Finally, we need to get that heart rate up to torch the fat. Simple cardio. First, jogging in place. Just get those knees up. It's not about speed. It's about keeping a steady pace. Do it while you watch TV. No excuse. And to really kick it into high gear, jumping jacks. An old school classic for a reason. They work your whole body and get your heart pumping like crazy. Full body movement, explosive, and burns a ton of calories. Combine these moves. Do them in a circuit. 3-4 rounds. You'll be sweating. Your heart will be pounding. And you'll be burning fat. No gym. No excuses. Listen to me. You are stronger than you think. Way stronger. Stop quitting on yourself after 3 days. Stop waiting for some magical feeling of motivation to strike you. It's not coming. Consistency is what builds the new you. Discipline is what forges you. Every time you push through when you want to quit, you get stronger, mentally and physically. Every time you choose the healthy meal over the junk, you win a battle. This is a war against your old habits. And you win it one small victory at a time. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to look in the mirror and be proud of the person looking back at you. You deserve to have energy, to be strong, to be confident. It's all right there for you, but you have to be willing to work for it. Nobody can do it for you. It's on you. Start today. If you're ready to change your life for real, like and subscribe. More real working man fitness tips are coming your way every single day.